Denn damit werden wir uns hier heute noch bis 17:40 Uhr beschäftigen. Und dann ist für heute nach einem langen Kanutag auch wieder Feierabend. Aber so weit sind wir noch lange nicht, denn jetzt geht es erstmal noch auf die kurze Strecke, 200 Meter. Hier ist die Startliste und hier... Es gibt Rajni Ja, das ist die Dame aus Indien. Wir sehen sie hier. Startbahn 2 für sie. Die 3, sie gehört der ebenfalls aus Indien stammenden Prachi Yadav. Die Bahnen 4 und 5, gleich geht's los. Ach, ja, jetzt ist gesehen. Just concentrate.
And we are underway for the false start here. Those persistent beeping telling us exactly that they need to slow down, although Thailand hasn't gotten the memo yet. Let's see if we can get her attention for the grandstands. Oh, she's figured it out. Fantastic. Not the first time that's happened, not the last. These athletes are laser focused in on themselves and what they need to do. So they're doing exactly what they're supposed to do. They're just focusing on their own lane and getting out of the blocks cleanly. So they'll have another go at it. Full start this time. We'll give the athletes a moment to get back into the start line. And they're off here, 9 lanes across. That's 81 meters of action here in the KL2 Women's 200.
Ja, und jetzt gucken wir mal, wie es abgeht hier mit unserer Johanna Flügler, die sich tatsächlich an die Chinesin Wang dran gehängt hat. Sie liegt im Moment hier in der aussichtsreichen 2. Position. Das würde locker reichen. Und sie ist auch eine Länge vorne. Und jetzt geht sie vielleicht noch in Führung auf der 2. Streckenhälfte.
The two Chinese athletes were within 0.5 seconds of each other yesterday in different heats, but it is right now Shansang Wang well in the lead, but under threat. Germany, Johanna Flügner needs your encouragement. Can she get to the line second? Only 3 through to the final. It looks like China may have sewn it up, but she is flagging. Germany taking advantage, pushing through. Germany will keep an eye out for Spain on the far shoreline, also India as well, and it is China, Germany, too close to tell between Italy and Spain.
So I would say India, for me it was Yadav, Prachi Yadav, who came in 3rd before the Spanish Ines Felipe Vidigal. Let's look into the result table, and it's indeed Yadav from India taking the 3rd place, the last place for the A final.
And with that, that draws to a close this section of racing. All of our thanks to the amazing performances by the talented para-athletes here. And we are going to be joining you again at 45 minutes past the hour, so that's just in another 10 minutes. And this time it's going to get underway. Instead of 200 meters, we'll do 1,000. It's the C2 men's 1,000 meters.